Hi there, meet me again in the CNC channel. This tutorial I'm gonna show how to compress PDF file to be a smaller size. In this example, I have a file PDF called my file with size on this is with size on this is 213 kilobytes. Okay, uh, let's try to make this file PDF to smaller. Okay, I click properties, you can see there 212 on this 216. Okay, you can open small PDF here, smallpdf.com, and choose compress PDF, and then choose your file. For example, I have in here my file. I upload. Okay, and then let's download our file with compress. You can see my file.pdf has 213 kilobytes, but my file with compress is just only 41 kilobytes. Let's open uh, the original. You can see there, and the compress, it's the same. Okay, that's all tutorial how to compress PDF file to a smaller size. Hope this helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.